Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to add script in TradingView mobile app. Add Pine script and run on mobile. So for the mobile users, you cannot create or edit the Pine script on mobile. Okay, because the TradingView will not provide you to code on the mobile device. You can only use a saved script or apply existing indicators. So you will firstly, if you want to add your own script, you can follow the step. Firstly, you can create and save the script on your desktop, means on your website or desktop application. Then after you can name it, and then you can open the chart and then click on the three dots. After that, click on indicator, and now here you can simple enter the name, which name you saved your script. Like I am already saved my script with my script name. Then it will appear here. Simple tap on it, and then the script will be added here. Here you will see. So if you want to learn how you can add the spine script in your desktop, you can watch this video at the end.